Did you know that millions of pumpkins are grown in backyards across the country? In fact, the United States produces over 1.5 billion pounds of pumpkins each year. That's enough to fill thousands of football fields. These aren't just ordinary pumpkins, they're the secret ingredient to an unforgettable fall season. They're the canvas for stunning decorations and the star of mouth-watering recipes. It's amazing to think about all those pumpkins. From small decorative gourds to massive pumpkins weighing over 1,000 pounds, there's a pumpkin for every occasion. They are a symbol of fall. The vibrant orange color of pumpkins perfectly captures the essence of the season. As the leaves change and the air turns crisp, pumpkins start to appear everywhere, from front porches to festive displays. They bring warmth and joy to our homes. Families gather to carve jack-o'-lanterns, creating memories that last a lifetime. The sight of a glowing pumpkin on a chilly autumn night is enough to bring a smile to anyone's face. And they taste delicious too. Pumpkins are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From savory dishes like pumpkin soup and roasted pumpkin to sweet treats like pumpkin pie and pumpkin bread, there's no shortage of ways to enjoy this seasonal favorite. Oh, and don't forget about the seeds. Roasted pumpkin seeds make a healthy and tasty snack. And let's not overlook the ever-popular pumpkin spice, which has become a fall staple in everything from lattes to candles. From the farm to the table, pumpkins truly are a powerhouse of the fall season. They bring us together, nourish us, and add a touch of magic to our homes. Harvesting pumpkins might seem simple, but timing and technique are everything. Let's face it, there's nothing more disappointing than a pumpkin that rots before Halloween. When harvesting pumpkins, several key factors indicate ripeness. The pumpkin's rind should be hard and difficult to dent, resembling a mature melon. A dry, hard stem is another crucial sign. A green and succulent stem suggests the pumpkin isn't ready. The pumpkin's color should be fully developed, and its sound should be hollow when tapped. While the vine often begins to die back as the pumpkin matures, this isn't always a reliable indicator. Now for the fun part, cutting the pumpkin from the vine. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your pumpkins are harvested correctly and remain in good condition for as long as possible. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears. These tools are essential for making clean cuts, which help prevent damage to the pumpkin and the vine. A clean cut also reduces the risk of introducing diseases to your plants. Leave a few inches of stem attached. This helps prevent rot. The stem acts as a barrier, protecting the pumpkin from bacteria and fungi that can cause it to decay. Plus, a pumpkin with a stem looks more aesthetically pleasing, especially if you plan to use it for decoration. Handle your pumpkins with care. Pumpkins have a tough exterior, but they can bruise easily if not handled properly. Gently place them in a basket or a soft surface to avoid any damage. Remember, the way you handle your pumpkins now will affect their longevity and appearance. A drop pumpkin is a sad pumpkin. Dropping a pumpkin can cause it to crack or bruise, making it more susceptible to rot. Always handle your pumpkins with both hands and be mindful of where you place them. A little extra care goes a long way in preserving your hard-earned harvest. After harvesting, don't forget to clean your tools. Keeping your gardening tools clean and sharp not only makes your job easier, but also helps prevent the spread of diseases in your garden. Store them in a dry place to avoid rust and ensure they are ready for your next gardening adventure. Congratulations! You've successfully harvested your pumpkins. Take a moment to admire your hard work and the beautiful pumpkins you've grown. Whether you use them for cooking, decorating, or sharing with friends and family, your pumpkins are a testament to your dedication and care in the garden. Once you've harvested your pumpkins, it's time to store them properly. Proper storage is essential for extending the life of your harvested pumpkins. Begin by selecting a cool, dark, and dry location for storage. Ideal temperatures range from 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Place pumpkins in a single layer on a porous surface like wood, cardboard, or straw, ensuring good air circulation. Avoid storing them on concrete, as this can lead to rot. To prevent decay, check your pumpkins regularly for soft spots or mold. Remove any pumpkins showing signs of spoilage immediately to protect the others. With the right conditions, your pumpkins can last several months. Remember, the drier the storage area, the longer your pumpkins will keep. Now let's get creative. Your freshly harvested pumpkins can transform your home into a fall wonderland. Think carved pumpkins, painted pumpkins, or even pumpkin-themed centerpieces. This is a personal preference, so get creative. Here are a few unique ideas to decorate with pumpkins that goes beyond the traditional carved jack-o'-lantern. Pumpkins offer endless creative possibilities for home decor. Pumpkin planters. Hollow out a pumpkin and fill it with soil and small plants like succulents or herbs. This adds a touch of greenery to your fall decor. Pumpkin votives. Carve out small circles in mini pumpkins and insert tea lights for a soft ambient glow. Painted pumpkins. Transform plain pumpkins into works of art by painting them with intricate designs, patterns, or even your favorite characters. Pumpkin spice display. Create a fragrant corner by placing pumpkins with cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange slices in a decorative bowl. Metallic glam. Spray paint pumpkins with metallic colors like gold or silver for a modern and luxurious look. Pumpkin table centerpiece. Arrange pumpkins of different sizes and colors on your dining table, incorporating fall foliage and candles for a stunning centerpiece. Pumpkin beverage holder. Carve a large pumpkin into a bowl shape to chill wine or champagne. Pumpkin welcome sign. Paint a welcome message or your house number on a large pumpkin for a personalized entryway. Pumpkin stack. Create a visually interesting display by stacking pumpkins of varying sizes and colors. Pumpkin garland. Hollow out small pumpkins and string them together with twine or ribbon to create a unique garland. Pumpkins add instant charm to any space, create a one-of-a-kind atmosphere in your home. And of course, we can't forget about pumpkin recipes. From pies to breads to soups, pumpkin is a fall staple. Roast the seeds for a healthy snack, or try your hand at making pumpkin butter. The possibilities are endless. Here are a few of my favorite ways to use my pumpkin harvest. Let's start with a visually stunning dish, pumpkin ravioli, a sophisticated twist on traditional ravioli. Fill homemade pasta with a creamy pumpkin ricotta mixture and top with sage brown butter. Pumpkin hummus, a healthier alternative to traditional hummus. Blend roasted pumpkin with chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic for a vibrant dip. Pumpkin beer bread, a hearty and flavorful bread made with pumpkin puree and your favorite craft beer. Perfect for a cozy fall evening. Pumpkin curry, warm your soul with a creamy pumpkin curry packed with Indian spices like cardamom, coriander, and cumin. Serve with rice or naan. Pumpkin spice latte muffins. Enjoy the taste of your favorite fall drink in muffin form. These muffins are packed with coffee and pumpkin flavor. Pumpkin chocolate chip cookies, a surprising combination of flavors. The sweetness of the chocolate chips complements the warmth of the pumpkin spice perfectly. Pumpkin cheesecake bars, indulge in rich pumpkin cheesecake baked in a buttery graham cracker crust. Top with whipped cream and caramel drizzle for extra decadence. Pumpkin spice pancakes. Start your day with a stack of fluffy pancakes infused with pumpkin spice and topped with maple syrup and whipped cream. Pumpkin risotto, creamy and comforting. This risotto is infused with pumpkin puree and topped with toasted pumpkin seeds for added crunch. Harvesting pumpkins is a rewarding experience. It's a chance to connect with nature, and it's a fun activity for the whole family. So get out there and enjoy the pumpkin season. Embrace the beauty of fall, and create some memories that will last a lifetime. Have you harvested your pumpkins yet? What are your favorite ways to use them? Share your tips and recipes in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. After all, fall is a time for sharing and celebrating. Happy fall, y'all!